Hi everyone, this is Sanjeev Chaudhary and welcome to Scholar. Today we are going to be learn a very important lesson, that is number system. This is very important for every grade students. In this lesson we will learn all the numbers like natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, real number. We will try to understand all the concepts with trick. So let us start without wasting our time. The first number is natural number. Natural number we generally denote by capital N. And we know that all the countable numbers are called natural numbers. So the countable numbers start from 1, 2, 3 towards the infinitive. Next is the whole number. We generally denote the whole number by capital W. And we know that all the natural numbers along with 0, that would be whole number. So the number would be start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the infinitive. Integer. Generally we denote the integer by capital Z. And in integers, all whole numbers along with negative natural numbers are called integer. As you can see in the example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can say that negative towards the infinitive and positive towards the infinitive. Next, rational number. This is very important. Rational number, all numbers that can be written in the form of fraction, P upon Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. Now try to understand through example. Example is 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2, 6. We can write 6 as P upon Q. So we can write 6 upon 1, 0. 0 we can also write 0 as 0 upon 1. So this is also in the form of P upon Q where Q is not equal to 0. Similarly, so it will be gone towards the infinitive. Next, irrational number. Irrational number is just the opposite of rational. All those types of number that we cannot write in the form of P upon Q, that would be called irrational number. Generally we denote the rational number by Q and the irrational number by Q dash. Now you can try to understand through example. There is under root 2. Whenever you try to find out the value of under root 2, you will get 1.4142 towards the infinitive. Under root 3, square root 3, 1.2, 1.7320 towards the infinitive. And what is the value of pi? We know very well. The value of pi is 3.1428 towards the infinitive. So we can't write these numbers in the form of fraction, in the form of P upon Q. So that is why we generally call these types of number are called irrational number. Now the next is a real number. Real number, all the numbers on the number line are called real number. Now try to understand what is the purpose of this diagram. Through this diagram you can understand and you can identify which number is a natural number, which number is not a natural number. So try to understand this diagram. If somebody would ask to you, all natural number would be whole number? Yes. Why? Because you can see this diagram. All the natural number box is coming inside the whole number box. And we know that the definition too. Natural number start from 1, 2, 3 towards the infinitive. And the whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3 towards the infinitive. So in the whole number, all natural number exist. So we can say that all natural number is a whole number. It's possible. If somebody will ask to you, all whole number would be natural number, this is not possible. Why? Because in the natural number, there is no 0. 0 does not exist in natural number. So that's why we can say that all whole number is not a natural number. This is not possible. But natural number, all natural number is a whole number, this is possible. Got it? Now try to understand next, integer. If somebody would ask to you, all the natural number is an integer, yes, possible. You can notice the natural number box is coming inside the box of integer. And according to the example, natural number is positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and the integer all positive whole number, natural number along with 0, and all negative natural numbers are there in integer, right? So we can say that all natural number would be integer, but all integer would not be natural number. Why? Because negative numbers will not exist in natural number. Even 0 will not exist, right? So we can say that all natural number is a integer, and all integer is not a natural number. Now, so similarly, rational number and irrational number. Now you can notice irrational number is just apart from all this diagram, right? So if somebody asks to you, all integer would be rational number, not possible. Why? Through this diagram you can understand irrational number is just apart from this box. And even for examples, irrational number, a number that cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. But rational number, we can write a number that can be in the form of P upon Q in fraction. So we can say that all rational number is not a irrational number, and all irrational number would not be a rational number. All irrational number would not be integer whole number. Got it? So through this diagram you can identify very quickly and very correctly. Now the biggest box is here, real number. So whatever number you know, whatever number you can imagine, that would be real number. As you can read, as you can try to understand through the definition, all numbers on the number line are called real numbers. So we can say that all natural number is real number, all whole number is real number, integer real number, rational number a real number, integer irrational number real number. And we generally denote by real number by capital R. I hope you understood very well. You have to just fix it, just memorize these diagram, just try to memorize these diagram, and then you can solve many types of questions. So let us do some types of questions which would be based on this. The first question, we have to just do true and false. Every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. Yes, every natural number is a whole number. It's possible because in the whole number, natural number, all the natural number will exist. So it's true. Next, every whole number is a natural number. No, not possible, because in the whole number there is 0, but in the natural number there is no 0. So we can say that this is not possible. This is false. Third, every integer is a whole number. Not possible, because in integer all negative and positive numbers are there, but in the whole number there is only positive numbers. So this is false. Next, every integer is a rational number. Is this possible? Yes, possible, because every integer means all negative and positive numbers would be there in integer, and in the rational number all positive and negative number would be also there. So we can say that every integer would be a rational number. So every integer is a rational number. This is possible. It's true. Next, every rational number is integer. Every rational numbers. Now try to understand every rational number. So in the rational number, what is the definition of rational number? So any number that can be written in the form of P upon Q, fraction. And we know that integer, all positive and negative numbers are called integer. So we can write integer, we can write a rational number in the form of P upon Q, but we can't write integer in the form of P upon Q, fractional form. Right? So this is not possible. This would be false. You can try to understand while saying and understanding that diagram. You just go back and try to understand that diagram and try to solve these questions. I hope you can solve and your concept would be very clear. I hope you understood very well. Now, if you want to be joined, if you want to be get my videos, just go on Scholar platform. And if you want to be joined my online sessions, online tuitions, one-to-one, you can contact me. There's my WhatsApp number. I hope you understand very well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.